Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to transfer TON from Bybit to a Bitget wallet. So right now, I'm here on the Bybit mobile app homepage, and where you have to go is simply to the bottom right over to Assets, and then tap on Withdraw. And since I don't have TON right now, I have to uncheck Hide Zero Balances, and on the top, simply type in TON. Tap on the TON. This is an on-chain transfer. Internal transfer is for account to account, and that doesn't have any fees. But in this case, since it's a standard on-chain transfer from one platform to another, we will have a little fees. Now, for the address, let's simply go over to our Bitget wallet. Now, just to note, the Bitget exchange and the Bitget wallet are separate things. Much like with Coinbase and the Coinbase wallet, they are different. They will have different addresses. Just a reminder. Now, anyway, let's go and open our Bitget wallet. And from here, we can simply tap on Receive, search TON, and right now we can see TON. You can also search for it manually by typing it in the search bar. Now, if you get confused, you can see the small icon. This is TON via the TON network. There are others, such as in this case, it goes through Ethereum, and this one goes through BNB. But since TON is the only network we can go through from Bybit to Bitget, we will simply choose this one. Now, once here, you can even tap directly to receive from the Bitget exchange, but since we are getting from Bybit, simply tap on the copy icon beside the address. Once it's copied, let's head over back to Bybit, paste the address, choose the only network that we have here. This is a 7-cent fee, and since a tag and memo is optional, I'll just type in NA. Withdraw an amount that's no less than 0.02 TON. And once everything is entered, simply double check. Most of the time, if you used a non-matching network address, Bybit will remind you that it doesn't match, so you don't have to worry too much, but just double check in case, and then simply tap on Withdraw. Since I have Google Authenticator turned on, I'll have to type in a code sent via email and my Google Authenticator for the transaction to occur. Once the process is started, it should arrive in your Bitget wallet within a minute or so. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.